Pinkfong.
Super Rescue Team!
To the rescue!
Pinkfong Super Rescue Team!
Stop the excavator!
What is this on my face?
Click, click, bang, bang, clatters, feet. Click, click, bang, bang, clatters, feet.
Oh, no, no!
Dirty excavator can't see a single thing. Zoom, zoom in a frenzy. Whoa, whoa, excavator cars. Clear the lane, everybody beware. Chaos everywhere, slow it down. Oh no! Excavator,
Vroom, vroom, whoa, whoa, whoa.
hurling in the streets.
Screech, screech, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Here comes trouble.
Vroom, vroom, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Dangerous commotion.
Swerve, swerve, whoa, whoa, whoa. Change, gear up, transformation. Change, suit up, transformation. Police match, police cat, police car. Ready for action, come what may. Go, go, go!
Zoom, zoom, mobilize, go through the tunnel, move super fast, super police, be swift in a flash, all through cars, city. Here come the heroes, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah!
Pinkfong coming, super strong, go, go, go. Super girl flies off, whoosh, whoosh, go, go, go. Where is excavator?
Beep, 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 beep.
Excavator located. Ding, ding, ping, ping, ping.
Nina, Nina, Pinkfong's near, police cars near, the gap will clear. Roar, engines rev, vroom, vroom, chase. Closing in, now we've got you.
Police, stop!
Stop, excavator, slow, slow down, we're here to help. Calm down, excavator spray. Super drone, use the water blaster, clear off the muddy sphere. Now you can see. Truck at the crossing, watch out, oh, oh, oh. Police car moves aside, stretch, stretch, oh, oh, oh. Dodging the crash, swoosh, swoosh, go, go, go. Pinkfong leaps high, whoosh, whoosh, go, go, go. Light changing, beep, beep, light changing, beep, beep. Police car from behind, beep. Danger, danger, protect, everybody slow. Slow down, go, go, police car. Pinkfong's magic spell, protect everybody.
Hoi, hoi, Pinkfong.
Yeah, 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 go, go, Super Rescue Team!
Hey, buddy, you almost got into huge trouble.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you. You saved me. You must be extra careful when you cross the road. Even when the light turns green, it's best to look left and right and double check to make sure all the cars have stopped. Okay, I got it. Stay smart.
Stay safe.
Super Rescue Team.
Police car versus thief.
All I need is that lamp, and I'll be rich. But... a laser device? The police car will be dispatched as soon as I touch it. Now, how about I show off some skills? Yeah! You... Yeah! I made it! Yo, yo, yo! I'm a genius! Ow! No way! No!
Yo-wee ho, yo-wee hey. Yo-wee ho, ho, yo-wee hey. Let's move!
E-O, E-O, our brave police car rushes to the rescue when we need help. Oh, there he is.
Freeze! You're under arrest!
E-O, E-O, super brave police car.
Yo-wee ho, yo-wee hey. Yo-wee ho, ho, yo-wee hey.
E-O, E-O, our kind police car rushes to the rescue when we need help. Oh, there he is.
Freeze! I got you!
E-O, E-O, super kind police car.
Yo-wee ho, yo-wee hey. Yo-wee ho, ho, yo-wee hey. Yo-wee ho, yo-wee hey. Yo-wee ho, ho, yo-wee hey. You're under arrest! He was a really sneaky thief. But Roger here never misses a thief.
Firetruck, where are you? Wow, the buildings here are huge, and there are so many cars as well.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Get out of the way! No, the wheels won't stop!
Oh no, the brakes must be broken.
Super Rescue Team, to the rescue!
Firetruck, where are you?
Here I am, don't worry, I've got your back!
Firetruck, can you help?
Put out the fire, Nina, Nina, fire truck! To the rescue!
Ambulance, where are you?
Here I am. Don't worry, I've got your back.
Ambulance, can you help?
I'll treat you. Super duper ambulance! To the rescue!
Helicopter, where are you?
Here I am, don't worry, I've got your back!
Helicopter, can you help?
Hey, bro! Helicopter! To the rescue!
Police car, where are you?
Here I am. Don't worry, I've got your back.
Police car, can you help?
Let's move! Go, police car! To the rescue!
Hoi, Pinkfong!
To the rescue! Fire truck!
Police car!
Ambulance!
Helicopter! Super Rescue Team! To the rescue! Super duper rescue team! Super duper rescue team! Whenever, wherever! Super Rescue Team! To the rescue! Yeah! Pinkfong, we saved many friends today, thanks to you.
Thank you so much.
Will you continue to protect Car City with us from now on?
Wow, of course! School fire safety! Help! Everyone, What should we do if the building is on fire? Let's learn what to do in case of a fire. Oh no! A fire broke out!
Fire truck, to the rescue!
Fire, fire, hear the alarm. Fire, fire, there's a fire. Stay calm, don't be scared. Fire safety, we're prepared.
Hurry, hurry, line up, go to the fire exit. No, not the elevator. Let's use the stairs. Hold hands, stay down low. Cover both mouth and nose. Go, go, fire safety.
Make way, make way!
Fire, fire, hear the alarm. Fire, fire, there's a fire. Stay calm, don't be scared. Fire safety, we're prepared.
Hurry, hurry, line up, make sure everyone is here. No, no, someone's missing. Where is our friend? Super drone, check the stairs, under the chairs in every corner. Go, go, fire safety.
Fire, fire, hear the alarm. Fire, fire, there's a fire. Stay calm, don't be scared. Fire safety, we're prepared.
Hurry, hurry, help me please. Is anybody out there? No, no, I'm so scared. Somebody help me. There you are, found our friend. Let's get out to the rescue.
Go, go, fire safety.
The elevator is on the 3rd floor.
Fire, fire, hear the alarm. Fire, fire, there's a fire. Stay calm, don't be scared. Fire safety, we're prepared.
Hurry, hurry, just the place must go on a rescue mission. Yay, yay, now it's safe. Let's go and help. Hang in there, on my way, almost there. Hoi poi, Pinkfong.
Fire, fire, hear the alarm. Fire, fire, there's a fire. Stay calm, don't be scared. Fire safety, we're prepared.
Hurry, hurry, come with me. I know exactly what to do. Yay, yay, the fire's out. Let's ask for help. Fire truck, over here. Raise your ladder, reach up high. Ready, set, jump.
Fire, fire, hear the alarm. Fire, fire, there's a fire. Stay calm, don't be scared. Fire safety, we're prepared. The firefighters are here to save the day. Hooray, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. With the firefighters, we are safe and sound. Many, many thanks to the super rescue team.
Listen up, everybody. You should never take an elevator when there's a fire. You must always use the stairs in emergencies. This is why we teach the fire drill during class. I'm sorry. Thank you for saving me.
Stay smart, stay safe! Super Rescue Team!
I've got a boo-boo! Whoa! It's an emergency! Pinkfong!
Forrest,
To the rescue! Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help my boo-boo? Yes, yes, yes.
What happened?
I tried to grab a cup, but it spilled. Oh! Ouch! I got a boo-boo on my wrist. Oh, if you wear accessories over the burn,
Take them off.
thank you, Super Rescue Team. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help me? Yes, yes, yes. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help my boo-boo? Yes, yes, yes. What happened? Some steam came out and I tried to touch it. Oh, oh, ouch! I got a boo-boo on my hand. Oh, remember not to burst the blister. Just come
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, thank you very much. You are the best.
I'll remember to never touch anything hot from now on.
Good thinking. You must always be careful with hot things. Remember, if you see steam, it means something is hot. So do not touch steaming cups or hot irons. If you have burned yourself, you have to pour cool water on it to cool it down. If you're wearing accessories on the burn, remove them carefully. And if you have blisters, please remember you shouldn't pop them. Stay smart, stay safe.
Super Rescue Team!
It's an earthquake!
Yay! We finished it.
Shaky, 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 shaky body. Shaky, 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 shaky body.
Don't worry, I know what to do.
Shaky, shaky building, wobbly, wobbly building. Oh my, it's an earthquake.
Do not panic, do not go outside. You should stay in a safe place.
Shaky, shaky building, wobbly, wobbly building. Oh my, it's an earthquake.
Protect our heads and necks. Let's get down under the table. Do not panic and stay safe. Go hide under a sturdy table.
When an earthquake hits, go hide under a table.
Shaky, 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 shaky body. Shaky, 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 shaky body.
Don't panic. I know what to do.
Shaky, shaky ground, wobbly, wobbly ground. Oh my, it's an earthquake.
Protect our heads and necks. Stay away from buildings.
Shaky, shaky ground, wobbly, wobbly ground. Oh my, it's an earthquake.
You should watch your surroundings and go to an open area. Stay away from dangerous buildings. Don't forget to go to an open area.
Stay safe, everyone! Is everybody okay?
Phew, that was really close. When there's an earthquake, you must stay calm and evacuate. If you're inside a building, do not go outside. Instead, hide under a desk and cover your head and neck with a bag or a cushion. If you're outside a building, stay far away from it to avoid falling objects. Don't forget to look around and evacuate to a large open space.
Okay.
We'll remember.
Thank you for saving us, Super Rescue Team.
Stay smart. Stay safe.
Super Rescue Team.
Ready! Roger! Forrest! Cloudia! Pinkfong Super Rescue Team!
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Roger. Click the subscribe button. Complete.